Leiden is an outstanding landmark condominium in Prime District 10, designed by internationally renowned architect Zaha Hadid and developed by a strong CapitaLand-led consortium. It sits on the hillside of the former Farrer Court in the prime Tanglin District 10 of Singapore, fronting the landed homes of Victoria Park and Kings Road.
Hi everyone, I am Sharon Kim Chan from Landed 772 OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today I'm here to showcase this lovely renovated home, which is located on a very high floor, unblocked and has direct north-south facings.
As a result, the home is naturally bright and very breezy, enjoying fantastic cross ventilation and air flows all year round. The balcony enables an expansive 270 degrees unblocked view across many different areas of Singapore, from Marina Bay Sands come city view to the Botanic Gardens greenery, as well as the pocketed Sentosa sea view and the Bukit Timah landed views. When night falls, these views become even more spectacular as the city lights lit up the horizon.
With a south-facing balcony that provides a pocketed Sentosa sea view, while the main door faces Bukit Timah Hill, as you enter in, you are literally facing water and having your back against Bukit Timah Hill. This is exactly as the Chinese saying goes, 前有流水，背有靠山. Besides the panoramic views, it is an immense privilege to catch beautiful sunrise and sunset views right at your home every day. Another added advantage of this home is that you get to see the fireworks display across Marina Bay, Sentosa and Buona Vista on National Day and during other festive celebrations. With the generous sized balcony, it will be the perfect venue for you to throw parties and gatherings for your families and friends and wow them with the live fireworks displays.
At 2,228 square feet, this home is spacious and very functional with high ceiling of approximate 3.2 meter. Like the balcony, all the 4 good-sized bedrooms command unblocked views, allowing you to enjoy ultimate privacy at the same time. King-size beds fit in all bedrooms and still allow space for side tables or vanity dresser too. The kitchen, yard and toilets are all well-sized as well. This home is quiet and blissful as it's located further inside Leiden Heights and far away from the Farrer Road noise. This home is in Block 3, where it is the only premium block in the estate that has its own dedicated car park, Car Park 1. This means that there are lots of access car park lots for both residents and visitors alike. Leiden also boasts resort-feel ambience with numerous facilities, including resort-like swimming pools, tennis courts, multiple clubhouses, and a variety of recreational spaces like a golf simulator, billiard rooms, and karaoke rooms. Leiden has excellent connectivity. 5 minutes walk to Farrer Road MRT, 1 kilometer to the prestige Nanyang Primary School, and minutes drive to Botanical Gardens and Orchard Road.
Don't miss this opportunity to own this prestige home. Do call me Sharon Kim at 9277 772 for your exclusive home tour today. Make this your dream home as it is mine.